You want
Hang
your
on,
boy?
I'll tell you one. There it is.
I will see what you find. Please, 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 Daddy. Please, Daddy. I want that. I want that.
You'll get it in a second. I can't believe her head's shaking like that. do the short shake.
I want that phone.
You want the phone?
There you go. Alright. Is it 6:05, Emily?
Yeah.
How do you know?
1.
The long hand is pointing to the 1, and the short hand is pointing to the 6, and that means it's 6:05. Time to check the pizza then.
You didn't quite figure that out by yourself, did you, Ems? Had to call a friend? Oh, G-Train. You want your toy? There you go. Happy again?
I want that phone, Daddy.
Why do you want my phone?
Give it to her.
Are you trying to reach? Stop dropping it. There you go. Now hang on to it. Okay. Use your hands, not just your mouth. Good girl. Okay, you got it? That's it. Oh, look. Lucky girl.
Very hot, especially the tomato, okay?
Very hot, Tix. 2 pieces.
How about 2? I want that phone. Please.
Why?
I want to take it off.
I don't think so. I can see you in it.
I want it.
You look very pretty. Okay, I'll give it to you after you finish your dinner and wash your hands, okay? Okay, so eat your pizza pie.
Very hot.
Careful, it's going to be hot.
Eat that one first.
And I'll show you a nice video. Alright?
Yeah.
Yummy? What's on it?
Tomato and sauce and ham and mushroom.
Well, did you put some in your eye?
I put it in the eye.
You poked yourself in the eye. Well, that's not very bright, is it?
There you go.
Like you're not even old enough to play. Why'd you hit yourself? Don't worry, you'll get there. And I'll show you nicely. Poor thing.
Okay.
You're a good eater, Ems. You look just like your dad. Or maybe a young Ozzy Osbourne. I can't tell.
Put it down, Daddy.
Oh, are you giving me orders now? Or do you say please?
Please.
Why do you want me to put it down?
Put that phone down. I can look. I can't look. You're holding it.
I know, but I told you you can only look after you're all clean and your hands are washed and your face are washed and all your pizza's finished. Okay?
Miss.
Did you stick your tongue out at me?
Nom, 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 nom.
Oh, look at the strength on the G train. What kind of laugh is that, Ems? Hey, when did you pick that up? It's very sinister.